Hey guys, Room Picker here for another lock picking video. Today I got another challenge lock for you. This one is Cookies and Pie Knot by Thumper. And he made his out of a Lane mortise cylinder. But it's basically the quickset keyway. So we got the mummified key here. And we're going to see if we can get it open today. Using top of the keyway with 50 thousandths going clockwise. We're going to see if we can get open. Got the Reed Wit Hook 1 Special. Into a false set. Oh, and we got it open. Excellent. Alrighty, well let's go ahead and gut this thing. Let's see what the key looks like. Yes, Rune Jr. Ooh, we got some good bidding on this key. You can see that. Yes, that's key. And we'll see, key does work very nicely. And let's go ahead and take this back plate off. DJ, get out from under there. Not for DJ. Leave it alone. That spring wants to stay in there, so let's go ahead and put the key in. And we'll get our follower out. And there we go. It looks like they got the construction holes in here. And we got threading on 1, 3, and 5. So they all look like serrated variations on serrated pins, but this pin too looks really nice actually. If I can get this to stay there, we go. And let's go ahead and take a look. Leave it alone. Here, take this.
So, who feels like impressing me by disappointing me with how impressive they are?
This driver on pin 1 is serrated. Ooh, pin 2 is a serrated spool. That's pretty nice looking. Got another serrated spool. Let's go ahead and do this from the back here. Got a very crazy looking serrated spool here. We got another very nice serrated spool. So, any work done to this? We got threading on 1, nothing on 2, threading on 3, nothing 4, threading on 5. So, not for DJ. So let's go ahead and take a look at this pin work. Very excellent pin work done by Thumper. You can see we got the mods done on the core here. And let's see if we can, I don't know if you can see that. Oh, you can kind of see it a little bit, not really though, but trust me, there's threading on those chambers. So that is the Cookies and Pie Knot by Thumper. Very fun challenge lock. Thank you for sending it to me, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.